Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, guys. Today it is, I don't know, actually, it's Wednesday, May 20th. I don't work today. I don't know why. They just didn't schedule me. I'm not complaining. I have some stuff to do, so it's kind of perfect. My hubby, Cole, he is working today, but he gets off early today, which is nice. So I'll get to hang out with him earlier than I normally would, which is really, really exciting. So on the agenda today, we have a squirrel hanging from a bird feeder. We have to send something off at the post office. I think I'm gonna pick up something for breakfast. I'm not sure if I want Chick-fil-A or Dunkin Donuts yet. I'm not sure which one I want. Still trying to decide. So I guess I'll just decide that once I get closer. I'm gonna send out the package first. But I guess I could talk about what I have been up to lately. So your girl has been working, but not a lot of hours. They haven't been scheduling me as much. They have hired a bunch of people during quarantine so people would have jobs, which was really, really awesome. So some of our hours just got cut, which I kind of personally like at the moment because it makes me feel a little safer with everything that's going on. Yes, we're required to wear masks at my job, but it's so hard to breathe in them, especially since it's already hard for me to breathe in general with my heart condition. Like, I literally feel like I'm gonna pass out every shift just because it's so hard for me to breathe. But we do what we have to do to stay healthy. I'm not wearing a mask right now because I'm in my car. I don't need to wear a mask right now, but that's what's been going on with work. I have been getting back into Animal Crossing. So if you guys don't know, during the start of this whole thing, I was really sad and like really starting to get depressed because I couldn't do anything. I was stuck in the house. I'm someone that needs to be constantly doing something. I don't like to be stuck in my house unless I want to be stuck in my house. So like being told I couldn't go anywhere, do anything, see my boyfriend at the time, now he's my husband, it was really, really hard. So so my sister and I decided to go on a hunt for Nintendo Switches. I wanted a yellow Nintendo Switch, but that didn't happen, but it's fine. We were trying to go get a Nintendo Switch Lite. I wanted the Lite and she wanted the regular one, so we literally, I did not see that, went to like 5 different stores and we only found peach Nintendo Switch Lites, and there was 2 of them, so we both decided to just get them even though those weren't the ones we wanted, just to keep ourselves busy and have something to do during this time. So I bought Animal Crossing and my sister bought some Eevee game. I don't remember exactly what it is called, but I bought Animal Crossing the first day. I honestly was obsessed with it. I played it. I really didn't know what I was doing or what was going on, but I think everybody doesn't understand at first. And then after days went on, I was getting really bored of it because I didn't know what to do. And like my little sister had Animal Crossing before me, so she would kind of like help me and like what I needed and stuff. So it was like really confusing. And then I kind of just stopped playing it because I was bored and I didn't want to play it honestly anymore. So I was like, you know what, whatever, I'm not gonna play it anymore. And then now, months later, Cole and I are married, and then on the days that he has off, he plays video games really late, which I don't care at all. I just lay in bed and go on my phone, but I rediscovered Animal Crossing, so I was like, oh my gosh, let me go start playing that again, and I am obsessed again. I bought turnips from Daisy May, and I'm waiting till I can sell them for a good price. Right now, I bought them for 96 bells. I have 800 of them. I bought them for 96 bells, and they're only selling on my island right now for 51 bells. I'm like, what the hell? I'd be losing so much money. So I didn't sell them yet. I still have, I think, 3 to 4 days to sell them before they rot. So that is really stressing me out, but it's gonna be good. It's gonna be fun. Last night I played Cole had to go to bed early because he had to work really early this morning, but I didn't have to go to bed. But I like to lay in bed with him, and then he like falls asleep and stuff, and I just go on my phone or like whatever. But I played Animal Crossing, and this guy was like on my island, and I was really confused on who he was. But then he was like, oh, I'll buy your fish from you, and I was like, okay. And I was making bank last night. Like, I fished for maybe an hour and a half last night. I made so much money, it's not even funny. So I made the money, and then he left my island at like 5 a.m. or something like that, and I was kind of sad. No, like low-key, like I was really sad because I was making good money. I had enough money to where I could pay off my house loan, because I updated my house to where I can get a second room in my house, so I can pay that off. And then I also am building like an incline, so I have almost enough money to pay off the incline, which is awesome. I'm just trying to find ways to make money right now, and it's kind of hard, no lie. Like, I was struggling for a while, and then like I did some research and stuff, and like figured out like turnips and everything, because I was really confused with that whole thing. But I figured all that out, so that's fun. That's what I've been doing lately, playing Animal Crossing, making some TikToks. I did the white TikTok, and I'm so proud of it. I'll leave my TikTok down below, and you should go check it out. It was really fun. It took me 2 hours to make that TikTok video. Like, I'm not even kidding, it took so long, but it was so fun. It was so worth it. What else is going on? Nothing really, just hanging out, living my best life. Cole and I both said, like, since we got married, we feel like we're seeing each other less, just because he's working so much. So like that kind of sucks. And obviously we couldn't go on a honeymoon because everything is closed, but we're going to go to Disney World in October if it's open, which is really exciting. We're gonna go for like a week, and I'm so excited for that. I got a new pair of ears in the mail yesterday, and they're literally so adorable. I'm probably gonna do a quarantine haul, like everything I bought over quarantine, which is quite a few things. I kind of have to find everything because I honestly forgot like half of the stuff I bought, but I'm so excited for that. I can't wait. And I have bathing suits coming, so I'm gonna do I think it's a Shein, most of them are Shein, so I'm gonna do a Shein try-on haul. I got stuff from Windsor, which I've never bought stuff off there before. I heard about it from Jess, and so I bought stuff off of there, and I'm gonna do a Windsor haul. And then I also bought these really cute summer dresses off of this site. I forget what it's called, but I've never heard of them before, and I don't know like how their dresses are, but it was really expensive, or not really expensive, but for 3 dresses it was like $84, so like that's kind of expensive, and I never spend that money like that. But I decided I would do a YouTube video saying how the dresses are and if the quality is worth the money and how that site is, so I'm gonna be doing that soon. I have a lot of videos coming soon. I'm gonna do a room tour of what Cole and I's room looks like soon, and it's just like a whole bunch of exciting stuff going on right now, and I'm so excited and I can't wait, and I'm ready for him to come home, but he doesn't come home for another like 5 hours. Okay guys, so I shipped out the package, and now I think I've decided that I'm going to go to Dunkin Donuts, because honestly I don't feel like dealing with Chick-fil-A's lines. Their lines have been insane. Well, they're always insane, and it's a little further, and Dunkin Donuts is literally right here, so I think I'm just gonna get a bagel, which sounds honestly really good, and then I also get a sausage egg wrap, and it's really good too, so I think I'm gonna do that as well, and it's gonna be great. I am so excited. It's right here. I'm ready, but I'm gonna turn you guys off because the last time I came to Dunkin and filmed, she made me feel so uncomfortable about it, like, so we're not gonna do that anymore. So I'll be back when I have my food. Okay guys, so I got literally the last everything bagel. She was like, oh, I'm sorry sweetie, I think we're out of them. Well wait, we actually have one left. I said, ah, thank you. So I got the last everything bagel. I decided not to get the sausage, egg, and cheese wrap, just because like honestly I'm kind of not in the mood for it. I don't know, I'm just not in the mood. So we have our everything bagel here. I'm so excited. If you haven't had an everything bagel from Dunkin, you should go get it. It tastes like an everything bagel, period. Obviously. No, it's so freaking good. I love them. And I just like that they cream cheese it for you. Like Panera Bread, they don't do it for you. But like if I'm in a rush or like I'm going to work or I'm going on break, it's like really nice to get because it's already cream cheese. Don't have to worry about cream cheesing it myself, which sounds like I'm being ridiculous. Like I can't cream cheese it myself, but like if you're busy, you understand what I'm saying. It's really, really nice, and it's only $2, so it's awesome. Now I'm on my way to Starbucks to film a video, and then I will be going home, and I think I'm done with everything that I really wanted to do today. My hair is a mess. I'm sorry I keep playing with it. It's just so freaking bad. But I think I pretty much have everything that I wanted to do today, which is awesome. I might film the room tour today. I'm not sure exactly what I'm gonna do yet. I'm just really proud that it's 11 o'clock and I've done a lot. Which, I mean, it doesn't look like I did a lot because I didn't film a lot of the stuff that I did at home, but I did a lot today, which is awesome. So that's what's going on. For the rest of the day, when I get home, I'm probably going to, like I said, maybe film the room tour today, depending on how clean the room is. If it's not perfectly clean, I'm just gonna clean it up a little bit, and I'll probably film it tomorrow because I have off tomorrow as well. And then I might film some TikToks when I get home, and then after that I might play Fortnite with my sister for a while, because why not? I played with her yesterday. It was really, really fun, so we're gonna play with her again today. My nail salon is, all nail and hair salons are open up in South Carolina, and my nail salon is still not open yet, and I understand that because of everything that's going on, they might not want to open, but I'm like, I want to get my nails done, which sounds so selfish of me, but so many of my friends are getting their nails done, so I might just find a different salon at the moment and just go get them done, because I haven't had my fake acrylics on with my rings yet, and I just can't wait to see what it all looks like all put together, because we got married during quarantine. I'm so excited. So that's I'm ready to get my nails done so I can make my ring look even more gorgeous than it already is, because it's fucking beautiful. I'm obsessed with my ring, like literally so obsessed. But yeah, so I'm gonna end the video here because I really have nothing else to say. I'm on my way home. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Thanks for listening to me rant or just talk in general. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos and leave recommendations down below for what you want to see. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.